So here we are again with the hot celebrity drop for you. First, we talk about Jelly Roll files for divorce from Bunny XO. Country music star Jelly Roll has reportedly filed for divorce from his wife, Bunny XO, after nearly 10 years of marriage. Over the years, Bunny became one of Jelly Roll's biggest supporters throughout his rise to fame. Fans were especially surprised because the pair renewed their wedding vows in 2023. They often shared their relationship publicly and appeared stronger than ever. Reports suggest the divorce filing cites irreconcilable differences. Neither Jelly Roll nor Bunny XO has publicly addressed the split. The news marks the end of one of country music's most well-known relationships. James Barker dies at 40. James Barker, a longtime producer of Love Island USA, has died at the age of 40. The show's team confirmed the news and paid tribute to his contributions. Barker worked behind the scenes on multiple seasons of the hit reality series. Colleagues described him as talented, hardworking, and deeply respected. He played a major role in helping shape the show's success. Following the announcement, cast members and fans shared heartfelt messages online. The cause of death has not been publicly disclosed. His passing has left the Love Island community mourning a beloved producer. Tom Holland suggests Owen Cooper as Spider-Man's successor. Spider-Man star Tom Holland recently suggested Owen Cooper as a possible future Spider-Man. Cooper has earned praise for his performance in the series Adolescence. Holland said the young actor has the talent and charisma needed for the role. His comments quickly sparked discussion among Marvel fans online. Many viewers believe Cooper could be a strong choice for a future reboot. There are currently no official plans to recast Spider-Man. Holland remains the character's current actor in the Marvel Universe. Emma Heming Willis addresses dementia misconception. Emma Heming Willis recently spoke out about a common misconception regarding dementia. Her husband, Bruce Willis, was diagnosed with frontotemporal dementia in 2023. Emma explained that many people assume life is effectively over after such a diagnosis. She emphasized that people with dementia can still experience happiness and meaningful moments. Emma has become a leading advocate for dementia awareness and education. She wants families to better understand the realities of the disease. Her message focuses on compassion, dignity, and support. Many people praised her comments for helping reduce misunderstandings about dementia.